Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make jumbo cupcakes, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a jumbo muffin tin with liners, then weigh flour, sugar, and butter precisely. Cream butter and sugar until light, add eggs one at a time, then alternate dry ingredients with milk. Fold gently to avoid overmixing, fill liners 2/3 full, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean and tops spring back when touched. Mix wet ingredients in a large bowl and whisk until smooth, then combine with dry ingredients in 2 additions to keep batter light. Use a scale for accuracy and scrape the bowl often to incorporate all ingredients. If you want a richer crumb, add a tablespoon of sour cream or melted butter and increase baking time slightly for denser batter. Rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning and consistent domes. Thanks for sticking with me. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect for keeping your car smelling fresh between grocery runs and pastry deliveries, with a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes errands nicer. I'll drop the link so you can grab one easily. Check the description for the link and other deals before you go. Now let's get back to the video. Core the center with a piping tip and spoon in jam, curd, or pastry cream for a delightful surprise, then replace crumbs to seal the filling. Make Swiss meringue buttercream for a silky finish or quick cream cheese frosting for tangy balance. Chill slightly to set before piping. For tall jumbo cupcakes, build a thin crumb coat. Chill, then pipe a final swirl and top with sprinkles or a small fresh fruit for pretty finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.